So this video is just to show you how to register as a business on BeeCoinWise and CelBux. The first method is to just get a link from the person that referred you to BeeCoinWise and click on that link. It'll take you to the registration page. If you don't have the link, go to BECW.co.za and then click on register on the top right hand corner. Here where you register, you can fill in your name and your basic details here, and then at the bottom here it says register as a merchant. You click on that and you say yes. Okay, so when you register as a merchant, besides the normal details of yourself that you put in over there, you put the merchant bank account details over here, your account name, your account number, whether it's current or savings, the bank itself, your company registration number, your tax number, and your business address. Any other important thing here to remember is your referral details. If you use the referral link that was supplied, it'll automatically put it in over here, the referral's reference number, your sponsor. Alternatively, you can put your sponsor's mobile number over here. Then when you create a password, which is your unique password, make sure to remember to include all of these characters. So if you put, for example, small letters, a capital letter, you'll see it'll tick there, a special character, at least one digit number. So if you have a look at what I've put in there, just follow the instructions and at least 8 characters. There we go. So there you go. Once they're all ticked, you can choose that password and confirm it. Then all you have to do is confirm the policies and the conditions and sign up. Once you've done that, somebody will contact you and take you further as far as the contract goes with CelBux and negotiate the transaction fee that you would be paying.